Okay, on display here we have the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 vac and mop robot vacuum. So this is a 2-for-1. And this gives you a little bit of a look at what this thing is. Look at it, it's kind of a beefy machine here. Here's the wheels. All kinds of gadgets on this thing. No spots missed. It cleans in precise grid. Better edge cleaning with a HEPA base because it mounts itself to this base when it's done, and then it's self-empty for 30 days of dirt and debris. It's supposed to traps over 99% of allergens and dust. Now this particular robot vacuum, it costs $2.99 here at a local Costco store. Give you some more of the specifics to this. The Matrix Plus powerful vacuum suction. 2-in-1. Shows you some of how it takes some of the debris and puts it into the bagless station. It's supposed to be clean with no spots missed. And it's supposed to go into rows, single row robots like that versus the sporadic, well, the way that they used to be. Powerful and intelligent navigation. So I don't know, is this a robot vacuum for you? That'll do both mopping and vacuuming. Hopefully this gives you guys a better idea of what to expect if you're in the market to buy the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 vac, mop, and robot.